Hello everybody, welcome to Crazy Chats with a little touch of masala. Today we are going to do apple banana halwa. I have taken roughly 6 full apples. I have peeled them and kept them ready for the next process, which is chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Keep chopping roughly, and then this is how it looks. I have chopped all the 6 apples. I had some leftovers, so I've roughly chopped them, and before they turn gray or any other color, black, I'm going to heat a pan and add butter or ghee, or if you feel these two are not good enough for your health, you could also add any cooking oil. I've roughly added 3 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter, and allowing the pan to heat. So the butter is melted. Now I'm adding the chopped apples, all of them, into the pan. Keep adding them. You can see the sizzling butter there. I've added everything. Now I'm going to give them a mix. Use a spatula or a spoon, whichever you're comfortable with, and give them a coating of the ghee. And now we're going to cover it and cook for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring in between. I'm adding some cardamom powder. You could also add nutmeg or cinnamon powder or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home. Now I'm adding some mashed banana. That's the secret ingredient, right? But yeah, I revealed it in the beginning. So add 2 to 3 roughly mashed bananas into the caramelizing apples. Ooh, I'm adding some sugar. I'm adding around half cup of sugar. It depends on the taste of the apple and the banana. The more sour it is, you need to add more sugar. So you should not have any moisture oozing out of the mixture. So this is how it looks once all the moisture is dried out. This is the final look. Add some cashews on top and your halwa is ready to taste. Gooey and yummy. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.